Yo, what's going on everybody? Luke here at AutoCorrect Detailing. Today we got this Acura TLX A-Spec in the shop for a maintenance wash. About over a year ago we coated this vehicle with 2 layers of Ceramic Pro's 9H ceramic coating, and right now we're just going to go ahead and show you how to do a maintenance wash on it to make sure the coating stays optimal and ideal while also not stripping it off of the paint while you're doing so. So let's get into it. Before every wash, we walk around each vehicle and do a little inspection to make sure there's no physical damage to the paint, anything to be concerned about before touching the vehicle, and bring that up with the customer if there is anything on the vehicle. But after that, step number 1 is going to be wash the wheels. We always start with the wheels with a separate wheel bucket as well to wash the wheels, and depending on how dirty they are, you can get away with using just pH neutral soap, or you can mix in some wheel cleaner spray as well. These are pretty dirty, so we're going to mix in some wheel cleaner spray and get them looking clean. For the wheels, we use the tire brush, the lug nut brush, and the wheel well brush. Also, some people use a wheel face brush, but I find that I can just get it done with the lug nut brush even better, so I just use that on the whole face of the wheel. But let's show you what that process looks like right now. And that is step 1 done. Let's move on to the back of the car, get on to step 2. Okay, so for step 2, we are not going to forget about the exhaust tips. Go ahead and get those clean. Realistically, you should be able to do this step with just a wheel well brush and some wheel and tire cleaner. Pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure you get them clean. No one wants to forget about the exhaust tips. Exhaust tips are good. Now it's finally time to wash this thing. Let's get it. Step 3 is going to include bug remover on the front bumper and a big rinse on the entire vehicle before we start foaming it. Alright, next step on the maintenance wash is going to be a foam bath with pH neutral soap. For the ceramic coating cars, you just want to use a pH neutral soap, as I said, so it does not break down any of the ceramic coating that's sitting on top of your paint, because that could affect the longevity and the effectiveness of your ceramic coating. Got the car all foamed up, as you can see. Really go the extra mile to get it, the dirt and all the cracks and crevices. We're going to use a boar's hair lug nut brush to agitate all that debris. Alright, so after going around the whole car with the lug nut brush, getting all the cracks and crevices, you're ready to finally start contact washing with the wash mitt. For the wash method, we're always going top down when we're washing cars, so we'll do roof, glass, and then we'll go work our way down. Also, you want to be using straight lines with the wash mitt, not circular motions. You want to use straight lines. time to dry it, put some sealant on it, and do the interior, call it a day. All right, we got the interior finished up on the Acura. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some Silica Boost to really just enhance the ceramic coating that's already still there, and as well as add another layer of protection. All right, everybody, that about wraps up everything on the Acura TLX A-Spec. We went ahead and finished up the maintenance wash and topped the paint with a Silica Boost to really enhance the ceramic coating that's already still on there. And finally, we went ahead and did a cleanup on the interior of the vehicle just to make sure it's in tip-top shape. Hope you enjoyed. Check us out next time. Peace out.